Hey everyone, this video is coming at the request of many of you who have left comments asking for more details on the platform build in the truck bed. So we're going to go over it. We're going to show you the hinges. We're going to give you a few measurements and just show you the basic how it goes in and comes out. All right. There's that. Alright, yeah. Alright. Ready? Alright, hold on. Alright, pick it up.
Just want to sit there and get in?
Nope. Alright.
I was just...
Alright. So that just slides in.
Oh, you don't want to...
Push it in. Push it in. Okay.
You don't want to just...
See out here? Okay. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, now we're just going to go over some of the basic measurements of the platform. All right, it's 78 inches. By 63. All right, and then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 individual doors. Let's see, each one is exactly a third, so it's 26 inches. And it's 31 and a half. And you'll see that we've got it notched out in the corners on both sides. That's where the tailgate comes in. We'll get the height of it. To the top of the platform, it's 12 inches. And so you can see the hinges here. They're just, I think they're PVC clamps. So this is how I did the hinges. And so it can just rotate freely back and forth, back and forth. And as we discussed in the previous video, we use the ropes. We use the ropes for handles so that they'll lay flat under the mattress and you can't feel them. So it's basically just tied in a knot and wrapped in tape underneath so that the string doesn't come undone. And then these two panels here, they're not able to hinge because the way the truck bed is shaped. You're unable to make it hinge this way because of the top rail on the side, and you're unable to make it hinge this way because of the top rail in the back. So these just have to, they just sit up there, but they're wedged in there because of the walls of the truck bed, so it's okay. let's see if I can give more details on the actual measurements of the PVC. Because the PVC measurements actually did take a while to figure out. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna go center to center here. So that's 56.5 from center to center. The middle one is right in the middle. Let's see, and it's, what is that, 56? So it'd be 28 and a quarter there. And it does have to be right in the middle so that the boards will line up, so that the boards will hit right on that PVC. And then this is the way that we did the connections. So we got 2 T's right here put together with maybe a 2-inch piece of PVC. And then there's the legs. And then I'll show you these here. So you got a 4-way here with a T here and the leg on that. This side here is all glued together, and this side here, the pieces are not glued together. It makes it so we can take it in and out easily, so you can convert it into a twin, and also so you can just have somewhere where you can put tall objects in your truck. Also, you can't get the bed out without taking it apart because it is such a perfect fit. All right, so we've put the platform in and out for you guys so you can see how that's done. Now I'm gonna go over how many of each of the T's and the 4-ways are needed for this build. Looks like you need 18.5-inch T's. You're gonna need 4.5-inch 90s. And you're gonna need 2.5-inch 4-ways. This is all 1.5-inch PVC. And then you're also going to need 1 sheet of plywood. I would recommend getting something smooth that you don't have to put carpet on in order to prevent splinters. And then, as you can see, the height is determined by just these PVC poles right here, here, and then all the way to the front. So you can alter the height just by changing these to raise the bed platform up or down. I think I pretty much covered all the different details of how this platform is built. If I left anything out, or if you still have questions, then be sure to post them in the comments below. I think I do pretty good at getting back to you guys with your questions. This weekend I'll actually be installing 300 watts of solar and a 2,000 watt inverter on this truck bed camper. So be on the lookout for a video on how to do that. If you like these videos about truck camping, and then also we do a lot of cycling, if you enjoy this type of content, then be sure to subscribe to our channel. All right, we'll see you soon.